Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit text, but I need you to keep in mind this is for 2015 coming up. It's not in 2014. This is a 2015 feature. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is, we'll create a cylinder on the origin, and let me just align the plane with the front. And okay, we got 22, so I'm just going to move this back 11 to get it centered. Oh, I picked faces. I want to unpick all, and I want to select the entire shape. Okay, so I want to go 11. Since it was 22, that'll nail it dead center. Okay, so I'm going to right-click, insert a sketch. And I'm going to use the centroid defined by the plane. Again, this is a 2015 feature. I'm going to approve it. I'm going to go to my ready sketch text, and we'll call this, so we'll put it in caps, customer underscore Pete. Okay, we'll make it Arial black, and we'll just put it in, right about here. We'll eyeball it. And OK it. Okay. What you'll see, if you hover your cursor on top, it's highlighting the entire text that you brought in at that time. Okay. So while you're in the sketch environment, you can just double click it and you'll see it's going to bring up the entire piece, and you can just come in and put in 2.5 or whatever it is, right? And you can come in and change it to, let's say, Arial bold. All right, so this is while you're in the midst of the sketch. Now I'm going to right click exit. I'll go to the wireframe display. Underneath this section here, we'll wrap on face. We'll pick the sketch, we'll pick the face, and I'll rotate this 180. And we'll pick an origin, just right here for the moment. And OK the command. Well, let me right click redefine last. We don't need to keep the originals, and OK it. Now we can come in to shape. Underneath merge is inlay. We'll pick this face, and we're going to come in and pick our black curves in here. And I'm going to go into a front view, and we'll just do a window selection on all of this. Okay, I'm missing a couple of them here. All right, and we'll make this positive 5.5. Okay, so here it is. Now, in the past, we couldn't come in and edit our sketch, but in 2015, again, we could come in, double click this, change our font, and change our font size. Arial's just so reliable, that's why I'm picking it. And we'll go to, let's say, 3 millimeters. We'll check it, check our overlaps, everything looks good. Okay, exit. Okay, the regeneration failed because it's much bigger, so we're going to edit the failed operation. Okay, and this is the area where it's picking the curves from before, so I'm going to undo that. I'm going to edit the wrap in here, and you'll notice the word Pete is going over the seam, so I'm going to change my origin. Set my entity filter to face, my right click snap on entity. And let me get that in a little bit more. There we go. OK to command. Edit the inlay. Go back into my curves, set it to black, and make sure we're getting all of our black curves. Okay, so this is a 2015 tool, and we'll be able to come in and edit our sketches. Text. Okay, let's approve it and see what we get. There you go. Okay, so again, 2015, we can come in and edit our text, the font, the size, whatever it is. Hope it's helpful.